Egg fertilizer for aloe vera, the exact method. Is your aloe dying? Are the leaves turning thin and weak? Is root rot killing your plant? Stop, do not add water yet. Stop, do not buy fertilizer from the store. Today I will show you one thing from your kitchen that goes in the trash every single day. Egg, yes, the same egg you eat for breakfast. Today I will show you how egg white, egg yolk, and eggshell can turn your weak aloe into a jungle plant. I tested this myself for many days. One plant got only water. The other plant got this egg trick. The result will shock you. If you have not tried this trick, you are wasting weeks of growth. Watch till the end because I will give you the exact method step by step. And the most important part, I will tell you when not to use it, otherwise your plant will burn. Why your aloe is weak. See, aloe is a desert plant. It needs less water and more nutrition. Store fertilizer is expensive. You buy a packet and it finishes fast. Then your plant becomes weak again because chemical fertilizer makes roots lazy. Egg has 3 things that aloe loves. Egg white has protein for new growth. Egg yolk has fat and vitamins for thick leaves. Eggshell has calcium for strong roots and straight stems. All 3 things are free every day. Just the method has to be right or your plant will die. So I will show you the full process without skipping anything. How to prepare. First, take 1 egg. Any egg works, desi or farm egg. Break the egg and separate the white. Keep the yolk separate. Do not throw the shell, it is the most important part. Now mix the white with water in a glass. Just mix, do not shake too much or foam will come. Mix the yolk with water in another glass. Wash the shell and dry it in the sun. After drying, crush it with your hand or with a rolling pin. Make it like a powder. Now you have 3 things ready. White water, yolk water, and shell powder. This is your free fertilizer. No chemical, no money spent. Only waste turned into wealth. How to use it. Now listen carefully. This is the most important step. Check the soil first. Put your finger inside the soil. If it is wet, do not give anything. Only give fertilizer when soil is dry. Take the white water, pour it around the edge of the pot. Do not pour in the center or the stem will rot. Use only a little bit. Give it once in a week only. Next week, use the yolk water. 3rd week, use the shell powder. Mix 1 small spoon on top of the soil. Then add a little water so calcium goes inside. Repeat this cycle every month. You will see the difference with your own eyes. Leaves will become thick, color will become deep green. And new baby plants will start coming out. I tried this on my plant. I will show you the before and after on screen now. Before, the plant was falling down. After, the plant looks strong like a warrior. 5 mistakes. Do not do this. Now the most important warning, do not make these mistakes or your plant will die. First mistake, give it every day. Egg fertilizer is not for daily use. Give it only once in a week. Second mistake, give too much. More than 1 spoon will bring fungus. Third mistake, give it in wet soil. Always check soil first, remember that. Fourth mistake, use dirty shell. If shell is dirty, insects will come. Use only clean dry shell. If you avoid these 4 mistakes, your aloe will never die. So friends, this was the full egg fertilizer method. It is free, it is simple, and it works. If you liked this video, please like it. Comment below egg or aloe, whatever you feel like. And send this to your friend whose aloe is dying. Maybe this will save their plant. Next video, I will show how to save aloe in rainy season. Subscribe to the channel so you do not miss that video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of your aloe.